Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a makeup tutorial, and I paired it with Mauve lip. This is a Kat Von D. I love this lip color, but yeah, this makeup look took me about all of 20 minutes to do. I incorporated a lot of like warm tones and rusty oranges and reds, my favorite color. But they're really, I love those colors because I think they really do accentuate green eyes. Even if you have blue eyes, you can actually have any color eyes to do this look, but it really makes those green eyes pop. So I wanted to do a green eye makeup tutorial for you guys, and this is the look that I came up with today. I'll show you the eyes. The eyes is kind of like a halo. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Smash that like button, it really helps me out. And without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. First I'm going to go on with this Neostrata Anti, it's like a lip enhancer. I really like it, it's kind of like tingling. So I'm going to put that on my lips. And we're gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow base. It's by NYX. I think it's called, you can't really see it, but it's high definition. So I'm gonna put that all over my eyes. I'm just gonna take that with a Real Techniques. Just a Real Techniques brush. And then I'm just gonna set my eyelid with any translucent powder. Will do. I guess first I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take this eyebrow gel by NYX. Looks like that. And this one is in Espresso. So I'm gonna take that with my MAC 226. Just gonna put it on like this palette thing, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. With my eyebrows, I always comb through them first, so I'm gonna start right here. Don't mind my eyebrows, I definitely need to get my eyebrows done. And then I take it and I try to flick it. And then I just take my spoolie my eyebrows are both so different. Just gonna take my gimme brow. I think this one's a medium, and then I'm just gonna comb through. Okay, then I'm just going to take this Revolution palette, and I'm just going to take the lightest color, and I'm going to carve out my eyebrows. You don't have to do this, but I definitely need to get mine done. This e.l.f. highlighter, and I'm just going to put that under, kind of under my brow bone. I think I'm gonna go in with orange soda here. Same brush, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Okay, and then take with the same brush, this color here, and do the exact same thing in the crease. And then take a blending brush but doesn't really have, it has no product on it, and just kind of go over it. Now I'm going to take my Real Techniques dual fiber brush, looks like this, and I'm going to grab this color called Henna from the Huda Beauty palette. And again, focus that right in the socket. And then with a pencil brush, I'm just going to take those colors and put them that other brush, and a little more of that orange soda and caramel, or you know what I mean. And then I'm going to take this color by MAC. It's called Last Dance. It looks like this. It's really beautiful. So I'm going to take that flat brush, and you can spray some Fix Plus on it if you want, but I'm just going to use this, it's like liquid transformer. I'm going to use a little bit of that on my brush. And then grab the same stuff and with a pencil brush, and then put that in the okay. And then for eyeliner, I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Sexy Booster. I love this eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to use Illegal Length. It looks like this. It's a really good mascara. It's got like little fibers in it. For primer, we're going to be using Magic Lumi. Looks like this. I'm just going to take that with my Flat Kabuki by Lamora, and I'm just going to put this like right up here. And then apparently this is a corrector and a primer. Looks like that. And then looks like that. So we are going to just use that today. I'm just gonna Put that all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Mineral Wear by Physicians Formula. And it's foundation. This one's in Natural. Looks like that. So I'm just gonna like dip my brush in, I think, and place that on my face. It feels kind of greasy. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Age Rewind under my eyes. On the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this Maybelline Master Camel, looks like that. These are correcting pens. I'm just going to put a little bit of that right here to highlight. And I'm just going to take my Real Techniques beauty sponge and pat that in. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline contour stick in medium. Sigma Angle Flat Kabuki. And push that back into my hairline. Gonna set under my eyes with NYX Radiant Finishing Powder and Banana, like that, with just a no-name brush. So I'm gonna be using the Physician Formula Mineral Wear. This is a pressed powder, looks like that. So I'm gonna set the rest of my face. Contour, I'm gonna be taking Bronze Lights. This is by Smashbox, looks like that. I'm gonna take it with my Real Techniques Dual Fiber brush. I'm going to be taking this Milani, this is in Romantic Rose, looks like that, with my with my Eco Tools blush brush. Whoa, that is really pigmented. I'm going to take, for highlight, I'm going to take Sephora. This is a Sephora highlight. I don't know the name. Doesn't have one, but that's what it looks like. With my my Eco Tools fan brush. Can't really see that one, so I'm going to use a little bit more of my Essence highlight. And I'm going to take my Marcel Velvet Gel. I love this. Black eyeliner. I'm using these two for my lips. And it's in Lovesick. LOVECRAFT is the lip liner, and then Lovesick is the by Kat Von D, and I'm gonna and then I'm going to take a little bit of this. This is LOVECRAFT, the lipstick by Kat Von D. And bam! I think we're done. Yeah, so that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. This is the look we came up with. I think it looks really good. I don't really like the foundation. It kind of made me feel like my skin looks a bit patchy and greasy, but there's the eyes. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, give it a big thumbs up, it really helps me out, and subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 new videos a week, and click that little notification bell down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!